An integral part of the Nyati County spread across 210 acres, offering 70% open spaces and breathtaking views of the Sahyadri Hills.
We are talking about Nyati Exuberance, situated in Undri, Pune South.
Let's take a detailed look at its unit plans, location, amenities, price growth and builder analysis in this exclusive video by 99 Acres. Nyati Exuberance spread across 3.9 acres comprises 5 towers with ground plus 26 floors each, offering 2 BHK homes. This is a multi-phase developmental project with a phase 1 slated for completion from June 2024 onwards. As per the project layout, the towers are arranged in a symmetrical manner, providing unhindered views of the Sahyadri Hills. Adequate spacing between towers also ensures ample light and ventilation in every unit. The towers overlook a central green area with a host of amenities. Now let's take a look at the sizes and prices of these apartments. 2 BHK home offers of 65.34 square meters. It features 2 bed plus bath, a living room and dining room, a kitchen, a balcony and a sit-out area. Nyati Exuberance offers a holistic living experience with a variety of amenities, starting with a swimming pool, multi-purpose court, basketball court, acupressure pathway, flower and herb garden. In addition to this, there is a party lawn, outdoor gym, jogging track, net cricket area, yoga area, pergola and outdoor sitting area. For families with children, there is a kids play area, while the older residents can enjoy the clubhouse and billiards room. Now coming to the location,
Nyati Exuberance is strategically located in Undri, Pune South,
offering a host of benefits to its residents. Its proximity to the National Highway 65, Pune Railway Station and Pune International Airport provides seamless connectivity and smooth travel to the rest of the city. In addition, a number of key educational institutions, banks, hospitals and shopping complexes are within the vicinity. The area stands to benefit from the upcoming developments like a 5-kilometer extension of the Pune Metro to Undri, plans for a new water connection, and a proposed greenfield airport at Purandar, just 10 kilometers away, which will boost trade and commerce in the region. Residents have rated this locality 4.2 out of 5 stars in the locality review section of 99 Acres. Good connectivity, availability of schools and medical facilities are keeping residents happier, although few peeves points include frequent traffic jams and lack of metro connectivity. Switching our focus to the builder, and we can see that Nyati Group, founded in 1997, has successfully completed 68 projects and sold 4 million square meters of space. With 14,000 happy home buyers, the company has been a leader in developing top quality projects across various sectors, including residential real estate, commercial spaces, IT and ITES office spaces, hospitality projects and educational institutions. Additionally, Nyati Group has recently ventured into infrastructure, delivering roads and bridges. Some of its projects have experienced significant price appreciation over the past year. For example, Nyati Wind Chimes, located in Mohammadwadi, Pune South, has seen an impressive 31.7% growth in just 1 year. Nyati LCR, located in Khardi, Pune East, has seen a notable 7.7% growth in the last year. To buy or know more about this project, click on the link below.